Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, April 25th, and this is my analysis for the pound yen. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner at the end of the video. And make sure to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com. Watch the video on my home screen to learn more. So anyways, the pound yen is continuing to drift up, and I've been saying this pretty much all week that more than likely this is an ABC. I've been recommending longs until we get a Fibonacci bounce with a break of structure, which we definitely still don't have. If we do get a Fibonacci bounce and then it goes down and then it breaks structure, that is what would cause me to stop looking for longs and start looking for shorts. It doesn't have to stop at the 61. I mean, it could go up there, bounce, make a higher low, go up to the 78, bounce, make a higher low. So as long as it continues the higher low series, higher low, higher low, higher low, higher low that we've been getting, there's really no reason to go short until we get that Fibonacci bounce and a break of structure. And then after we get a Fibonacci bounce, whichever level it may be, and the break of structure, I wouldn't just go short instantly. I would be looking for a pullback after the break of structure to go short, potentially for the continuation of this downtrend from the higher time frames. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.